Imagine you and your friend trading toys. You both want fair deal so that both sides are happy. The World Trade Organization helps countries do the same thing but on a much larger scale. World Trade Organization is an international group that manages and supervises global trade agreements. Think of it as a referee overseeing a big game of trade between countries. Trading between countries can get complicated. Each country has its own rules, regulations, and taxes. This can sometimes make it hard for the goods and services to move from one place to another place. The WTO steps in to create a level playing field. It sets rules for both the country to follow so that it makes the trade fair and less complicated. The WTO agreements cover so many things, like how much a country can tax goods coming from another country and how one country cannot discriminate against the other country. This prevents one country from unfairly giving advantage to its products over the others. If a country thinks that another country is breaking these rules, they can bring the matter into the World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization acts as a courtroom for the trade disputes. They fairly review the evidences and tries to find solution that satisfies both sides. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.